Good morning, first grade. Today in math, we are taking a look at ordinal positions again. This time, we're looking at ordinal positions to 12th. Okay, so usually when we have done this in the past, remember that we start at the left when we're talking about ordinal position and we work our way to the right, kind of like they're in a line. So we've already learned ordinal position to the 6th. So we are first going to review that just as if there are 6 of you standing in line. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay, remember we always start at the left and we work our way to the right. All right, now this time we're going to have more than 6. So I'm gonna go that far right now and I'll be redrawing very soon. So I have all of these circles and I want to know which circle is in the 7th spot. So if I want to know which one is in the 7th spot, I am going to start over here and I'm going to count from 1 to 7. Remember that counting by ones is the same thing as ordinal position. So this is the first ball, 2, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th. Okay, this one right here, that's in the 7th spot. I'm gonna give it some spots. That ball has spots on it. That's the 7th ball in the line of balls. Which ball is in the 9th spot? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th. I'll give this one some stripes. This ball is in the 9th spot. Which ball is in the 3rd spot? First, second, third. I'll give that one some zigzags. That is in the 3rd spot. Okay, I'm gonna flip this over for a second so that we can take a look all the way up to 12th. I got a lot smaller there that time. All right, so now I always start here and go this way. Which ball is in the 11th spot? Did you hear 11 in 11th? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. This one here is in the 11th spot in line. Which ball is in the 6th spot? Start here. Remember, this is first. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. That one is in the 6th spot. Which ball is in the 12th spot? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Okay, this is in the 12th spot, which happens to also be the last spot in the line. What about the 8th? Which one's in 8th spot? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th. This one that I just shaded all the way in, that is in the 8th spot in our line. Now, for your turn to practice, we need to get out some colors. Now, at the beginning, in your directions for what you needed for class today, I did tell you exactly what colors you need, but I'm going to tell you again. Just in case you need it, here are the colors that you need for class today. You need purple, you need blue, black, orange, brown, yellow, green, and red. So, purple, blue, black, orange, brown, yellow, green, and red. Make sure you have all of those colors, because what we're going to do now is we're going to put our crayons in order. So here we go. Let's put them in order. Take your red crayon and put it in first. Put it in the first spot. Okay, you can see how I have my crayon sitting here. It's in the first spot. Take your green one, hold your green crayon in the air. Put your green crayon in the second spot. Take yellow, put yellow in the third spot. Brown, put brown in the fourth spot. Orange, please put that in the fifth spot. Black in the sixth. Blue in the seventh. And take your purple, please, and put it in the eighth spot. Okay, now I'd like you, please, to hold up the fourth crayon. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, hold up the fourth crayon. That should be your blue. Your brown, sorry. Your brown. Hold up the seventh crayon. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Hold it up. It's your blue. Hold up the second crayon. First, second. Hold up the eighth crayon. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Now, you have purple in your hand. I'd like you to put purple in the second spot. So I had to move my red over and put purple in that second spot. Make it the second crayon. Now, which crayon is in the seventh spot now? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. What color? Black. Now, why don't you go ahead and put black away. There's no more black. Hold up the crayon that's in the middle. Here's how I can find the middle. Start on the outsides. One for one. One for one. One for one. Guess which one doesn't have a match? This one, the yellow. That was in the middle. Put that crayon away. Okay, now I have some crayons that are left. Hold up the crayon that is in third now. First, second. How about the fourth? Which crayon is in the fourth spot now? First, second, third, fourth. Go ahead and put that orange away. Which crayon is in third? Which is in third? First, second, third. Put that brown away. You should have 3 crayons left, red, purple, and blue. Go ahead and take that first crayon and hold it up. Oh, that's this one in the front. Go ahead and put the red away. Now I'm left to 2 crayons, purple and blue. Which crayon is in the second spot? First, second. That's the blue. Put it away. And you're left with which color? Standing by itself. The purple. Wonderful job. Those crayons can be put away. And then why don't you go ahead, grab out your fact sheet. It's time for some practice. Okay, first grade. Now that you have your class fact practice out, please make sure that your name is on it. Make sure that it's written so that we can read it. And then let's go ahead. I'm gonna pick 2 problems to do with you together before you go ahead and get started. So here we go. Let's do 9 plus 1. What is 9 plus 1? 1 more than 9 is 10. Go ahead and make sure you have 10 written down there. And how about this one? Let's do 7 plus 7. It's in the middle. 7 plus 7. That's a double. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. Okay, you have 2 minutes to go ahead and complete the front of your facts. Ready? Go. Okay, first grade. Hopefully by now you have the entire front side done. Let's go ahead today and check our work. So what you should do is have a crayon near you. If you still have them from your lesson, that'd be great. Let's go ahead and check our work. If you got them correct, you will take your crayon and you will just put a little dot next to it. And if I would have the answer wrong, if I would say that 3 plus 1 is 4 because I was rushing and trying to do one more, I would just go right next to it with that color and put the correct answer down. Let's go ahead through our work. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 9 plus 0 equals 9. It's also great if you say these out loud because it helps to keep them in your brain faster. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Notice how I've been going across when I'm saying my answers. That's how I'd like you to do it on your sheet also. We're on our third row. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Yep, we did that one together before. 2 plus 0 equals 2. Let's keep going. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 8 plus 1 equals 9. We're in our last row. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 0 plus 6 equals 6. And 9 plus 9 equals 18. Now, friends, if there was something you didn't finish, it's okay just to have taken that color and just written the answers in there for now. That helps you to see how much you have left. Just like last week when I said, oh, later on, just go ahead and write them in. This is why. Because just when we practice it like this, you also then have a chance to fill those answers in and feel some completion. Remember that you have the backside for your homework. Please make sure your name gets on it. Fill in all your answers. Have someone check your work and then have them sign. We are moving on to our guided class practice. So go ahead and please make sure that your name and the date is on your paper. Today is September 22nd, 2020. All right. Number 1, Crystal's dog had 7 puppies. That's probably important information. She gave 4 puppies to friends. How many puppies does she have left? What type of story problem is this? Is it some more, or some went away? She started with 7 and she gave 4 to her friends. You are correct if you said some went away. Number 2, we are going to circle some letters. This looks like ordinal position, which we just learned about today. Remember, first is over here. Circle the 5th letter. First, second, third, 4th, 5th. Okay, circle that E. Circle the 12th letter. First, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Circle the 8th letter. 8th. First, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. That's the V. Circle the 11th letter. First, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. That's the E just before the N. Remember, this was 12th, so this is 11th. Circle the 2nd letter. First, second. Ooh, and when we did that, it gave us a word. Did you see that? S-E-V-E-N. The word is 7. Let's move to number 3. Circle the smallest number. 27, 15, 24. Which is the smallest number? 15. Put an X on the largest number. Which is the largest, 27 or 24? 27. Good. Number 4, let's continue the repeating pattern. Rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle. Ooh, that looks like an A, B pattern. Let's finish that off. After triangle comes rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle. Good. Let's look at the second one. Circle, triangle, square. Circle, triangle, square, circle. Ooh, first grade. That looks like an A, B, C. A, B, C. A. I can always do this underneath if I need to. Now I can say, okay, what was a B? That's a triangle. What's the C? That's a square. Circle, triangle, square. Here you go. Let's find these sums. These should be really getting easy for you. So here we go. Let's do them real quick. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 3 plus 1. What's 1 more than 3? 4. 6 plus 6, 12. Write those a review. 0 plus 7 is 7. 8 plus 0, 8. Last row, 1 plus 9, 10. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Great work, first grade. On the back side, you have your homework. Please make sure that you wrote September 22nd, 2020. When you're done, make sure this gets back in your folder, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.